This is a small step we all have taken to create awareness amongst us, and I truly believe that we are going to follow how to keep our earth clean and healthy.
My name is Pranjal and heartedly welcome to yours in Green.
Hello, I am Shara from PG Sector. I am going to explain about deforestation. Humans are the only creators who cut Humans are the only creators who cut the trees, make paper from it, and write on it save trees and save life. So don't clean, be green.
So you have planted a sapling at your house?
Yes, ma'am.
You have planted a sapling at your house?
Yes, ma'am.
As we know, plastic is spread all over the world. Exchange is big plastic. And as you can see, there are many buildings because carbon allows the buildings to build many buildings. So before building buildings, we can build many parks for our environment and also for our citizens. And as we go towards the medical areas, so we can go and research to cure our diseases. Green thought. We should ask many people to come forward and express their thoughts for our green environment. And there are many things that we can do to save our environment, so we can go to nature and use solar power, biogas, rainwater harvesting, and also waste management. Green Club means a green movement. It has to be developed with the help of youngsters. Together we can make change for our environment. So let's join hands and for our green environment. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Fresh or dried are used in soaps, curries, salads, juices, and even in ice creams. Mint help us to cool down the digestive system and helps your asthma patients because it can provide relaxation and relief.
Without trees, they give us oxygen and here life becomes very difficult without trees. Nowadays we find that everything is getting destroyed because we are not saving the planet with the development of the trees. So nowadays directly and indirectly now trees give us life directly or indirectly as they are the main sources of oxygen production, fuel consumption and sources of rain. So they give us food, medicine, they help us in making houses. The trees are very much important in our life. So as a small approach, we should save trees for our better life.
Afforestation is the establishment of forest in an area where there is no land, where there is no forest. Reforestation is the re-establishment of a forest. Many government and non-governmental organizations directly engage in a program of afforestation to create forest, increase carbon capture, and improve biodiversity. The Go Green Initiative. The Go Green Initiative was founded in 2002. The Go Green Initiative also have its own meaning, that is, G means generate less waste, R recycle everything that cannot be reused, E educate people on eco-friendly options, E evaluate impact of actions, and encourage discussions and activities that integrate environmental education. In yesterday's newspaper, I saw an article: animals can produce fuel. 500 kgs of plastic can produce 400 liters of fuel. At last, I conclude that this land is your land, this land is my land. Let's work together for its better, from the dark green forest to the deep blue ocean, for its own equal journey.
Very good information.
Today we would like to speak on greenhouse effect and ozone depletion. Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the Earth's
gases include nitrous oxide, ozone, methane, and some chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbons. The problem we now face is that due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, natural gas, and land clearing are increasing the concentrations of greenhouse gases. This is the enhanced greenhouse effect which is contributing to excess global temperature.
First, we have to understand what is ozone layer. Ozone layer is a deep layer in the Earth's atmosphere that protects our Earth from the strong ultraviolet radiations that come from the sun. What are the causes of ozone depletion? Credible scientific studies have substantiated that it is due to mainly human activities and human-made chemicals such as chlorine and bromine. Some of the chief ozone-depleting substances are chlorofluorocarbons, hydrochlorofluorocarbons, halons, methyl chloroform, etc. They also cause ozone hole. What are the effects of ozone depletion on plants? Many crop species are vulnerably affected by the strong UV radiations, and overexposure may lead to minimal growth, photosynthesis, and flowering. Some of the plant species which are affected by the UV radiations are barley, wheat, corn, oats, rice, broccoli, tomato, cauliflower, etc. Not only plants, it also causes damage to human health, devastation to environment, and threat to marine life, effect on animals, and it has some impacts on certain materials such as wood, fabrics, rubber, and plastics. What we can do to prevent the ozone depletion? First, this is the use from pesticides. We have to discourage the driving of private vehicles. We have to utilize environment-friendly cleaning products, and we have to prohibit the use of harmful nitrous oxide.
At last, we need to protect our environment. Each one plant one is the best slogan. We need to plant more and more trees, and we need to go green. Thank you.
Good. You have to do it practically also.
Yeah.
Adil Mahmood of CEC second year. My topic is about deforestation. First, we need to understand the term deforestation. It means the chopping down of trees for modernization or for human greed. So, it also affects the human life in many negative ways, and it also damages the earth's layer. So, we need to know the effects of the deforestation. First, if trees are cut down, it increases the amount of CO2. If the trees are cut down, there will be no source of absorbing the CO2 gas. Because of that, it is threatened to human life, and many animal species are also getting endangered. And it also affects the hydrological cycle, through which if plants do not absorb the water, they cannot evaporate and leave it into the atmosphere. And so, thus I say that, like how a child is necessary for a family, likewise for the world, the trees are necessary.
Well said.
I am here to talk about Go Green. This is a major campaign by words that no one cares about. Before we talk about Go Green, we will talk about why we should go green. Among major problems that Earth is facing is the widespread global warming, a situation which is currently blazing the planet. The first step to go green is start planting trees. They are awesome. They provide oxygen, fruits, dry leaves. Dry leaves can be used as fuel source. Since living on our Mother Earth from so many years, we are selfish for more improvement and betterment. As we living on Mother Earth, we are responsible for spoiling the nature and its beauty. So we can wash our bad habits done on Mother Earth by planting trees. Which can help our next generation. Thank you.
Urbanization and industrialization is no doubt a sign of economic development. But what we are losing is a big question.
Yes, you're right. What we are losing is a big question. We are losing our health and our pristine environment. And we people are leading our lives ourselves. So we are leading our lives like robots. As a press of button, we are moving for our works and taking our vehicles for transportation. We even are not caring about ourselves, our health, and we are not taking care about our environment and our cleanliness.
On the other hand, when we see the rural areas, it is a different one scenario. People living in the rural areas
about the difference of lives in the rural and the urban areas.
Let's go for peaceful music. Save environment for the environment.
Fine, happy to.
Climate change due to the rise in temperature.
It is caused due to the release of unwanted toxic and poisonous gases such as methane, nitrogen oxide, CO2, etc. And if they are emitted in high amount, they can destroy our Earth.
Earth can be green and full of fresh if we prevent exploiting the nature. But if we act as if we don't care and ignore the evil happening around us, we govern something.
So as we are the living part of the Earth, we need to make sure that we take care of it and don't destroy our surroundings.
Self-deforestation is also caused due to global warming.
We can reduce the use of electrical appliances such as refrigerators and air conditioners because they produce chlorofluorocarbons which deplete the ozone layers and in turn harm the human health.
We should also reduce the use of vehicles which pollute the air and in turn harm the living organisms. Reduce everything which can conserve and preserve the nature. Let us start from reduce, reuse and recycle. Reducing the pollution, reusing the usables and recycling the recyclables is the best way to conserve the nature. Now let us talk something about power of nature. As we know that solar panels absorb sun's light from the sun's rays and then emit in the form of electrical energy and heat. Now let us try to be some organic now. We know that we are using 80% of non-organic and chemical products which are threatening to human life as well as cattle life. So we must try to be organic now such that human life and cattle should be kept in mind for a healthy and happy life.
Talking about the forest, as we all know that 16 trees has to be cut down to make 1 ton of papers. Forests serve as lungs to the humankind and it is our responsibility to save the forest as well as the trees. But nowadays, humans will has turned up to blue. We humans are curing our own necks by deforestation. Coming to the marine, all the floras and the corals give the beauty to the entire seas and oceans. But here too, we humans are polluting the water bodies such as ponds, lakes and seas and also spoiling the entire beautiness of the seas. Coming to the public facilities, the government work for the people, by the people and of the people. They give us facilities in order to live a comfortable life. But here too, and it is our responsibility to utilize those opportunities in order to save our natural resource that is petroleum. As we all know that water is the basic unit of all living organisms. So we must conserve the water by building the wells and water pits. Talking about food bank,
As we all know, food is the basic unit of life and living organisms. So being the part of this vast diversity, it's our responsibility to take care that every human being is properly healthy and happy and leading a successful life. Thank you.
Sanatha Basu from YPC First Year. Today I would like to say some importance of deforestation and some insignificance of deforestation. Deforestation is a process to converting a non-forest land into a forest. Deforestation is highly important to maintain the biodiversity. It restores the all ecological balance of all ecosystems. Afforestation controls the issues of global warming, soil erosion and controls the pollution. And it is also prevent the disaster like flood, cyclones and many more. Forests are very useful for us. The animals, the organisms live with the help of oxygen during life.
Deforestation is the process of cutting the trees permanently by the people to get free land for further usage. Human beings are cutting the trees permanently without seeing its side effects on the society and environment. Due to deforestation, animals are dying, lack of shelters. Due to deforestation, it affects on day-to-day life of human beings, like it increases soil pollution, it increases greenhouse gases effect, and weakening of ozone layer, etc.
one and all. I am Sayyida Sabali Fatima. We are from YPC second year. Today we would like to speak on greenhouse effect and ozone depletion. Greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the earth's surface. When the sun's energy falls on the earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and the rest is absorbed and re-radiated by greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, ozone and some artificial chemicals such as chlorofluorocarbons. The problem we now face is that human activities, particularly burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil and natural gas, agriculture and land clearing are increasing the effects of greenhouse effect. The problem, this is due to excess of global warming. This is the enhanced greenhouse effect which is contributing to excess global warming. Now, my friend about the global warming leads to ozone depletion. First of all, we have to understand what is ozone layer. Ozone layer is a deep layer in the Earth's atmosphere which protects the Earth from the strong ultraviolet radiations that comes from the sun. The ozone molecule forms a gaseous layer in the Earth's atmosphere and is made up of three oxygen atoms. What are the causes of ozone layer depletion? Credible scientific studies have substantiated that it is mainly due to human-made chemicals such as chlorine and bromine. Some of the chief ozone depleting substances are chlorofluorocarbons, hydrochlorofluorocarbons, methyl chloroform, etc. These usually causes ozone hole. What are the effects of ozone depletion? Many crop species are vulnerably affected by the strong ultraviolet radiations and the overexposure may lead to minimal growth, photosynthesis and flowering. Some of the plant species which are affected by the ozone depletion are barley, wheat, corn, oats, rice, broccoli, tomato, cauliflower, etc. Forests equally bear the brunt of ozone layer depletion. Not only for plants but also it causes damage to human health, devastation to the environment, threat to marine life, effect on animals, and it has also impacts on certain materials like wood, fabrics, plastics, rubber, etc. What we can do to prevent ozone depletion? First, we have to resist the use from pesticides. We have to use environment-friendly cleaning products. We have to discourage the use of driving private vehicles. We have to prohibit the use of harmful nitrous oxide.
We, the students of IPC first year, are going to tell about industrialization and urbanization. Urbanization and industrialization is no doubt a sign of economic development, but what we are losing is a big question.
हाँ बिल्कुल सही, बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है हमारे लिए। तो हमें अभी क्या हो रहा है हमारे देश में कि लोग अपनी सेहत को नहीं देख रहे हैं और ना कोई अपने झाड़ देख रहा है, तो अब डिफॉरेस्टेशन कर रहे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा। पूरी डिफॉरेस्टेशन करके अपना
श्योर अगर हर एक जन ऐसी कोशिश करेंगे तो बहुत ही जल्द हमारा अर्थ वापस से हरा भरा हो जाएगा और हमारे ओजोन लेयर की